I really don't know why. Sometimes I want to cry. I wish to scream and shout and let my feelings out. I'm living like a king, but still I miss something. I have nothing less, but I can't feel happiness. Inside my bones, I'm trapped, and with the skin, I'm wrapped. Within myself, I do hide. I feel no pain or joy inside. My life has come to a pause. In silence my days all pass. My heart has turned to numb. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for end to come. With no more hopes to persist. My dreams have ceased to exist. With no more paths to follow. My heavy heart is hollow. With emptiness all alone, I can feel my tears rolling down. I really don't know why. I really don't know why. Sometimes silence makes me cry. Silence makes me cry.